Discover its secured credit card ideal for individuals new to credit or looking to rebuild their credit history. Key features: no annual fee. Earn 2% cash back at gas stations and restaurants, up to $1,000 in combined purchases each quarter. 1% unlimited cash back on all other purchases. Automatic reviews starting at 7 months to transition to an unsecured card. Reports to all 3 major credit bureaus. Capital One Platinum Credit Card ideal for those with average credit seeking to build or improve their credit score. Key features: no annual fee. Access to higher credit line after making your first 5 monthly payments on time. Fraud coverage if your card is lost or stolen. Access to CreditWise from Capital One to monitor your credit score. Chase Freedom Unlimited, ideal for beginners looking for a straightforward cashback rewards program. Key features: unlimited 1.5% cash back on all purchases. 5% cash back on travel purchased through Chase Ultimate Rewards. 3% on dining and drugstore purchases. 0% intro APR for 15 months on purchases and balance transfers. No annual fee. Citi Double Cash Card, ideal for individuals seeking a simple and effective cash back system. Key features: earn 2% cash back on all purchases, 1% when you buy plus 1% as you pay. No annual fee. 0% intro APR on balance transfers for 18 months. Access to Citi Entertainment for special access to purchase tickets to thousands of events. Petal 2, cash back, no fees. Visa credit card ideal for those with limited or no credit history seeking a fee-free card. Key features: no fees whatsoever. No annual, late, or foreign transaction fees. Earn 1% cash back on eligible purchases right away, up to 1.5% after making 12 on-time monthly payments. 2% to 10% cash back at select merchants. Reports to all 3 major credit bureaus.